What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you guys don't know, I do these live trading sessions to journal my trades. I also do these live trading sessions to help you guys out. So, market should be opening in about a couple seconds. We had a pretty good week last week. We had one red day. So we're gonna see if we can start the week this week with some green. Y'all know we looking for the money. And we just gonna wait on our setup. We're gonna wait for our ORB levels to break. We'll wait for a retest. So let's see what the market wants to do today. We have had a light uptrend, about a $2 uptrend over pre-market. So we're gonna be watching that 599 level on SPY. Y'all know that's a strong level. And that 510 level, 509 level around 509.70 on QQQ. So we're just gonna watch the stock, see what happens, see what the market wants to present to us today, and we're gonna trade our setup. We're gonna wait for our setup and we're gonna trade our setup. So let's see what the stocks want to do today. Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. I had a decent weekend, but now it's back to the paper, man. We gotta get back to the paper. So let's see what the market wants to present to us. It is a lot of economic data coming out, so we'll probably see some chop this week a little bit. We also do have PMI at 945, so we'll wait on that. And hey, that's about it. So we'll see what these charts want to do. AMD and Meta is very strong to start off. Tesla strong. Yeah, Tesla on the daily looks like it's ready to give us a move towards the upside. Mason, what it do, my boy? What it do? But yeah, Tesla, AMD, SPY, QQQ, they're all giving me on the daily. They're all giving me some bullish signs, but we're not going to be biased to one side. We're going to be biased to both sides, downside or the upside. So y'all know we trade if the market goes down, we trade the market. We trade puts. If the market goes up, we trade calls. Whatever the market wants to present to us. So we're gonna watch these stocks, see what the market wants to present to us today. Got SPY rejected its lows right here. Now it's going to the upside. We do have PMI at 945. PMI at 945. That Tesla. Garberry, good morning. Good morning. So it look like the bulls are in the market pretty early. Not a surprise. Not a surprise. AMD getting wicked. But y'all do last week, I think we bounced off this level towards the downside about 2 or 3 times off of 699. I'll show you right here. That was last week right here. We kept bouncing off that level, 599. We couldn't get above it, so we'll see what happens up there today. pretty strong right now. We're pretty strong right now. I like that AMD over there. But like I said, PMI 945. Ooh, NVIDIA is moving toward the downside. Check out NVIDIA. Broadcom. Damn. AVGO got earnings this week. I think Thursday. Look at NVIDIA. I swear to God, I keep removing these levels and they just keep popping back up. Have to see if I can save the whole system. SPY getting rejected a little bit early. Let's see what happens. I will let y'all know when I take a trade, though. Y'all know I'll let y'all know. I got to see a great setup. SPY getting rejected right here. QQQ 507 510. See if SPY goes under open price right here. If SPY gets under 595, we're probably gonna have another downtrend today. I ain't gonna lie, but let's see what happens. Apple giving a great pullback. But we're gonna wait on our ORB 9:45. It's 9:37 on the clock right now. We're gonna wait for PMI to come out at 9:45. Let the markets balance out. We'll see if we can find us an entry. If y'all do see anything, go ahead and put it in the comments. I'll look it up. See what it's looking like. Look in the video. SPY moving down. Let the market do its thing. We chilling. We just gonna wait. Let the market do its thing. Look at QQQ. Downside. See what SPY does at this 595 level. This is the strong level right here. 595. Pre-market, we came up, retested, and got above it. So we might retest again right here. Retest that 595. Let's see. Seems like tech is getting hammered. Yeah, it looked like that. Might be a good setup on QQQ. Tesla, damn, I thought Tesla was going to bounce back this week. time is it? 9:39 on the clock. All right, SPY is breaking 595. Let's see what it does under this level. He said Netflix. Let's look at Netflix. I ain't traded Netflix in so long. Netflix kind of still in the range right now. See if it can break out somehow. It's 9:40 on the clock. This is where we want to see what SPY does right here at that 595 level. That is see what SPY does here. Damn, it's getting rejected too. I like that. SPY is getting rejected right there. NVIDIA, big reds. See what happens here. God damn. NVIDIA just gave an early pullback and went down. All right, see, that's at 595 level. We bouncing back a little bit. See if we break below. We want to break below here and hold. Meta going back up a little bit. Apple got rejected. All right. Look like we're moving toward the downside. So I'll let SPY get under this. SPY gets under this. We want to let it break down. We want to let it break down and then wait for a pullback. Let's see what happens. There goes SPY. You could take that entry. It's aggressive entry. You can take it, but I'm not going to take that. I'm going to wait for a retest. 9:43 on the clock. I like Microsoft. Go ahead and let SPY break down. We'll wait on a retest. I could have jumped in right there. I should have took a light entry, but let's let it do its thing. Tesla ain't doing nothing. Tesla's still sitting in the range. AMD, damn, everything is selling off early. All right, it's 9:45. Let's see what happens. Re-breaking down. So I like QQQ towards the downside. If we can get a pullback, Meta towards the downside. Apple still sitting in the middle of a range. I like Nvidia towards the downside. Tesla still sitting in the range for me. Amazon, if we can get down towards 210 and get a pullback, I like that. Google still sitting in the range for me. Microsoft towards the downside. AMD towards the downside. AVGO, if we can continue towards the downside, but we already had a big move early. MU downside. Those are the stocks that I do trade, guys. So that little watch list I just gave you, it's just from my technicals and my ORB levels. That's where I'm choosing that from, what I like. But right now we're pulling back, so let's let it pull back. It look like we tapped high of Friday right here. We tapped high of Friday right here. Look like it's going back up to retest at 595. So let's wait and see. Let's just wait. We chilling. I do like Microsoft towards the lows. Tesla is gaining some strength a little bit. Let's see if we can, if we pull back above this 595, it was just a small fake out. It was just a fake out. You know what I'm saying? That's why I didn't really take that entry, because we didn't really have a lot of volume. You see all this volume we had right here? We didn't have the same volume right here. So that's really telling me that the momentum is not really there yet. So the big move hasn't been made yet. Yeah, I like that Tesla towards the upside. We didn't do nothing, guys. All we did was went down and came back up. All we did was went down and came right back up. But we might be retesting. Let's see. That was a good no. That right there was a good no. See, back in my couple weeks ago, I probably would have took that entry. I'm glad I didn't take it. I would have went right back up and got stopped out. That's the power of that ORB, man. Just wait for them ORB levels. You sitting in between ORB, don't take no trade. I like this Microsoft. I keep saying that, huh? I ain't showed y'all yet. It's a Monday, guys, so don't be surprised if we range a little bit today. If we range all morning, we're probably gonna make the big move in the afternoon. just how the market works. We don't really make a big move in the morning. 9 times out of 10, we'll make it in the afternoon. There we go. There is that PMI? Nah, PMI came out. All right. We're breaking down under ORB, so we'll wait for a retest. Yeah, I let it break down right here. I like that NVIDIA too. NVIDIA pulled back. Let me go to NVIDIA. Okay, SPY. Let's see what SPY does right here. This is what we want to see. We want to see us break down the ORB. Now, if it touches it and go back into ORB, we don't want that. I'm gonna load up SPY puts 594. I'll wait on the retest. We're gonna wait on the retest though. I'm just loading it up. I don't want to take the early entry, but I see it, boy. I see SPY. I'll take a light entry on SPY right here. I'm in SPY. I'm in SPY puts right here. Just a light entry. I'm not heavy at all. I see we breaking down under Friday's high. My stop loss is above that Friday's high right there. I'm in light, just getting some exposure. I'm in light. 2 hags ORB. I don't know what you're talking about, my boy, but give us 1 second. I'm in light. Like if I lose, I really ain't gonna lose a lot. This is just my first entry. I'm sitting at negative 2% right now. Let's see if SPY breaks down. It's just showing me bullish. It's showing me, bearish pressure. It's showing me a lot of bearish pressure right now. Sitting at negative 4% right now. We chilling. Stop loss right up above this last candle that closed. All right, there it goes. 41 seconds on this candle. We breaking down a little bit. Sitting at break even right now. All right, there we go right there. See if we can break down. You said what's ORB stand for? Open range breakout. I'll break it down in a minute. Let us get out this trade real quick. See if we can get a quick scalp. Keep the Monday green. See if we can get a quick scalp. 7 seconds on this candle. Only down 2% right now. All right, we closed on the ORB. Let's see if we can get a continuation off of it. Damn, we going back up. This is why I'm in light, because I still haven't had full confirmation of the ORB. The ORB, these pink levels right here, it's just the first 15 minutes, the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. That's all it is. If we get up above high of Friday, this green level right here, I will exit. But I've only took one entry, first light entry. We need to break down. If SPY wants to be bearish today, we need to get under ORB and stay there. Tesla went back up and now it's going down. See, we break down right here. We need to get under this low right here, 593. We need to get, there we go. There's the move. We up 8%. 8%. We might go back up and retest. Let's see. We just chilling right now. We back to break even. If you're afraid, you can exit. If you're afraid, you can exit. But we up 2% right now. Now we could go back up and retest. Let's see what happens. Nope, we still getting rejected. Still getting rejected. Let's see if we can break these lows. QQQ moving. There we go. We up 9% right now. There we go. There it is. There goes the move, 15%. I'm gonna take a trim right here. And I'll hold my runners. 15%. Trying to keep that first trade green. Let's go. SPY, we in there. Oh yeah. We up 17% on SPY. Let's go. Let it break down. If we break back past pre-market low right here, we're gonna go get that money. We up 20% right now. There we go. Let it break down. I'll probably take profits down here at this trend line if we get down there. Take y'all trims, man. Take your money. Take your money. It's been a long weekend. I know y'all been spending up all your money. Take your money. We're up 23%. 23% right now. So we in SPY puts right now. Let's go. We get under this pre-market low, I'll move my stop loss down. We're up 25% right now. There we go. Good shit. That's a good first trade right there. 13 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. We up 27%. Take y'all money, man. I'm telling you, take your money. Probably gonna bounce here in a minute. I'm gonna move my stop loss down to this pre-market low. I'm gonna just keep it tight. Move it down to this pre-market low. 9:58 on the clock. We will move to the 5-minute chart here in a second. Let's see if we can bounce off of here right here. Let's see. Keep it right here at the mid section of this big candle. We still up 18%. See if we reject right here. Yeah, we pulling all the way back. I'll let it pull back. We already took some profits though. So if you haven't took any profit, take some profits. We still up 10%. All right, we wicking off of this. I like that. Big wick. See if we can keep wicking. We back up 17%. I'm telling you, take y'all money if you up pretty decent, take your money. $9.59 on the clock. I'll go ahead and start moving to the 5-minute chart, guys. 5-minute chart. See if we break down right here. I'm still up 22%, 24% on SPY puts. There we go. Damn. Oh shit. Let's go. Break down. All right, I'm up 67%. I'm taking everything out. I'm taking everything. I'm up 67%. I took everything right there. I don't know I think it was news at 10 again. We'll let it fizzle out. We'll take another entry. I ain't trying to get caught in that. I took my 67% right there. That was news at 10. Yeah, I ain't even know. Boy, I jumped out of that. we got up 67% when I jumped out. I had to get up out of there. My bad, I forgot. He Mason say on his mama he up. Man, y'all can't lie, man. I give out plays, man. The last 2 weeks, I've only had 2 red days, bruh. Every other day has been green. Look at Mason. He say, holy shit. He in the play that I just called. Y'all can't say I'm not knocking out these plays for y'all, man. Y'all give me a like. That's all I ask for. Give me a like. He said, holy shit. On my mama, I'm up. I told y'all, man. I do this, man, every day. We wake up, press button, get money. We do this every day, man. We press buttons from my iPad and we get this money, 67%. Let's see if we can find another entry on something. All I did was sat here. Well, I'll let you know in a minute. But who was asking about the ORB? You need to watch my last short that I posted. That boy Sean say, let's go. He up. I already know he up. That's why he's saying let's go. We got to 67% right there on SPY puts. I got out right there. Ain't no way I ain't finna not take that. 67% on a Monday? Shit. You shitting me. I'm taking that. Let's see if we can find us another entry, baby. I had to bounce back from that little loss I took on Friday. Cause I was being that little loss I took on Friday, I was being too uppity in the goddamn. I was too anxious, ready to trade, seeing the damn setup, and just jumped in, not thinking. That's just how it works. But let's see if we can find something else, man. We took that 67% on SPY puts. Y'all see them, man. Let's go. SPY, we in there. See what else we can find. I'm out of that SPY, though. Look at Q, all red over here. Oh, man. That's why I don't really be afraid of news, though. I don't be afraid of news. When news comes, all you gotta do is watch the chart. You see the chart make a big move like that, you know it's gonna bounce back and level out itself. When it make that big move down, get out, take your money. You can find another play. It's always another play. But that's why I told y'all right here was my stop loss. I mean, not my stop loss, my take profit at that trend line, because we've been trending on that trend line for a minute. Y'all probably can't see it, but I'll show you in a minute. Let me not miss a damn play. We are on the 5-minute chart, though. We're going to move to the 5-minute chart. Good SPY trade, 67% on a Monday. Can't beat that. You definitely can't beat that. You're getting it on a Monday, and you're getting it from oh shit, I like this AMD. Oh, I need to go to the 5 minute. Let me go to the 5 minute. Moving to the 5 minute chart. Only reason I moved to the 5 minute chart is because the 2 minute chart, once it's 10 a.m., it's gonna show me too many candles confusing me and shit. I need less candles. There we go. We need less candles. So look like we pulled back to the ORB. And all the ORB is an open range breakout. Open range breakout. If this on margin or option, this is option trading. Options. We trade in options. Let the market do its thing. That big wick right there, you really can't do nothing with that, man. We just got to watch out for them lows right there. Now, if we get under this wick, we know we're good. But we know that's a news wick, so we still can wait on a pullback. News at 10 paid that money. 0 DTE. Yep, 0 DTE. I was in 0 DTE on SPY. 0 days to expiration. But if you want to be cautious trading, when I call out a play, you can pick next week's expiration or pick Friday's expiration, something like that. I think SPY. What's SPY? Let's see. I have, but not really. I just be going in to pick my contract. I don't be looking at all that. I know I'm always 0 days expiration because I'm taking the A+ setups. I don't care if I take a loss, I just take a damn L. I'm trading A+ setups, so I'm trying to make as most as I can. So I'm gonna trade 0 DTE. But that's just me. I know what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Friday, yeah. Cashley, Anthony. All right, Cashley. I'm gonna remember your name. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we fizzle out for the rest of the morning session. I like that NVIDIA retest. We're probably gonna fizzle out for a little bit. Or we'll go back up. Let's see. First trade, 67%. We chilling right now. We just chilling, waiting on another entry. Made us some money. Now we just chilling. Let's see what else we can find. Yes, bro. I'm gonna be eating with y'all from now on. Hey, man. They ain't in here for a reason, man. I'm really giving out plays for the free on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I don't see nobody else doing this shit live. Like live. Like I'm actually telling you exactly what I'm getting in the live market. I haven't seen it. You can't fake this shit. You know what I'm saying? You can fake a video. You can fake a chart. You can fake a chart that's already been printed. If the chart is already done for the day, all you gotta do is say, "Oh, hey, I'm stock trader, blah blah blah. I would have got in right here, and I would have got out right there." It's easy to do that. You can't do it. Everybody can't do this shit live though. And then have other people make money with you. That's hard to do. Everybody can't do that. I was in 0 DTE, 591, 593, 594 puts. I had 5 contracts. I already know you made that money. I already know you made that money. I like this. Oh no, okay. The boy said he had 5 contracts. All 3 positions. That's what I'm talking about. So you see how we're not really moving down that much? The volume has went down. You see that? volume right here. And if y'all know, I don't think I ever showed y'all this volume. Y'all want to put this on your chart. This volume right here, this volume indicator. It's just at the bottom. You put it pops up here at the bottom. It'll show you how much volume that counter was printing. And with your entries, you want to take a lot of volume, a lot of momentum. You want to see a lot of momentum on those. Is this a pullback? Oh, look at SPY. My bad. Hold up. Let me see something right quick. All right, we bounced back a little bit. My bad. Let me work right quick. All right. QQQ. I'm watching QQQ puts. My bad, guy. Gotta get quiet when we getting serious. Let's see if we bounce off of here or if we reject it right here. If we reject this, I'm loading up puts. Oh, it's Microsoft. I don't know why my weekly level ain't showing up, but it's a weekly level sitting right here on 506.41 on QQQ. But we're pulling back right now, so let it pull back. If it gets rejected, that'll be confirmation that we don't like the highs right now. So yeah, we getting rejected. I'm gonna load up QQQ puts. $506. I'll choose the 506. But we're gonna wait. We got 1 minute 55 seconds on this candle. The video giving a great setup as well under that 120. Let me look at the video right quick. Damn. All right. I got QQQ puts loaded up, man. Let's see what happens. 506. 506 puts. 0 DTE. We make a lower high, it's over. You're right. It is about to be overlooked. We rejecting. All it's doing is consolidating. It made a move, now it's just consolidating. We're gonna try to see if we can jump in on the next move. SPY getting wicked. 40 seconds on this candle. All right, we rejected. need SPY to break under this trend line right here. If we break this candle right here on this next print of this, the next candle, if we break this low, I will take an entry. If we break this low, I'll take an entry. Look at SPY. It's a good entry on SPY too, but want to see what it does right here. Yeah, still playing around a little bit. You don't have the 200 on the Q chart. Oh shit. You're right. All right. Appreciate that. Is it gonna break? See if we break below again. Yeah, not a lot of volume for me, man. I'm gonna hold off on that QQQ puts. It's probably gonna play around right here for a minute. If the volume spike up, I'll take an entry, but pretty sure the move will happen. Yeah, we going back up. Playing around. I don't want to sit in that. Like I said, it is a Monday, so won't be surprised if we get a little choppy. Appreciate that, Garber. Good look. Sitting on 200 on the 5 minute. Yeah, we need a push off of there. We make a little higher. It's ready to 200. Oh, Garber said it's ready to 200. Does that matter? Yeah, it does matter. But if we push off of it, if we push off the lows right here, then it don't really matter. It's there for what we put it there for. You know what I'm saying? We put the 200 there for, so we know that's the last 200 moving average of the last 200 candles. So we know we came down right here and got consolidated. So it's doing its job. Now we just need a push off of it. Now the 200, it can come down and bounce off and go back up this way. We wanted to, if we input, we wanted to come down and break the lows. That's what we want to do. Come down, stay under 200 moving average, and break the lows. So yeah, it does matter. You want to see it bounce off. But even if I didn't even have the 200 moving average, I still didn't see a lot of volume. So that's why I didn't take an entry. We would have been sitting there negative right now. You know what I'm saying? And then I said SPY's on this trend line. So yeah, good look though. Yeah, we're probably gonna fizzle out for a little bit. We got one good trade in, 67% on SPY. Damn, I want this play. I still got QQQ puts loaded up, man. I'm still watching it because we still getting rejected right here. We ain't really got no momentum though. See them doji candles right there? Those are reversal candles right there. Doji, big wick at the top, wick at the bottom, close in the middle. Those are doji candles. Yeah, we ain't really got a lot of price action. And the candle getting smaller. Nah, we're gonna hold off on that QQQ puts. I mean, if the move happens, we'll just watch the move. But I don't like. We ain't got no momentum on there. I'm gonna hold off on that play. Tesla's just sitting in the range. See what I'm saying? Told you I seen that doji candle. That's a sign of a reversal right there. Look at that. That was a good no. Now we go back up and get rejected. It's gonna come down even harder because it keep getting rejected toward the upside. The buyers are gonna quit. They're gonna give up. They're gonna be like, all right, we ain't got nobody helping us. Let's sell. They're gonna sell their contract. When they sell, guess where we gonna go? Back down. But yeah, that was a good no trade right there. We want a lot of more momentum. I mean, a lot of more volume. Let me break down this spot trade while we pull back a little bit. The spot trade that we took the spot trade on the 2-minute chart. We took it about 15 minutes ago. So exactly what I tell y'all, man, that ORB, we use that ORB. And with the ORB, sometimes you don't even need some of these indicators, to be honest. All you need is the ORB. So on the ORB, same way I took them last week, guys, same way. We came down. This is the ORB level. Who was asking about ORB? Cashley, I think that's your name. Cashley? Yeah. You was asking about ORB. This is the ORB, the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. See that right there? Top and the bottom. So you want to see ORB break before you take a trade. I've explained this. I'll explain it again. You kind of want to wait for the ORB to break and retest the bottom of the ORB or the top if we're going up. But what I do if I see us breaking ORB, I take a light entry, just one light entry, probably a couple contracts, less than 5 contracts, not heavy at all. So as soon as we pass down here and close right here, and I seen that we was bouncing a little bit, and we was passing that previous candle off the ORB, that's when I took an entry. And then that we sat for a little bit, we got like 15%, then that news came out and it dropped down all the way to this trend line right here. That's when we got out 67%. But that's just how I work the ORB. I just wait and see what it does once it gets below or above the ORB. If it looks like it's still showing us some bearish pressure and we wicking off, like right here, this candle right here bounced off of ORB, the bottom of ORB. That was the retest for me. I'll take that entry. And I just stayed in and we got that money. You know what I'm saying? Same shit. We do this every day. So now SPY's bouncing back a little bit. So that was a good no trade over here. It's the same thing. If we break back into ORB, you can take calls if you want to, but you want to get above ORB. We'll probably do that later today if we keep trending up. But we took our one trade today, 67% on SPY. Shit. Probably about to call it a day in a minute. Chart reversing. It's a Monday. We made us some quick money today. Hey, and we wait and do this shit tomorrow. Day trading, baby. Yeah, it's going back up, and I might retest. If it retests the bottom of ORB, you can go in for a short if we come back down. If we retest, but I need to see a clean move for a retest. Y'all know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, Cashley, if I was you, man, I would watch my last short that I posted. I break down the ORB even better than what I just did. I break it down for you. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day right there. I'm gonna call it a day right there. Y'all know I like to stay on for an hour. If we're in a play, I'll stay on a little longer. But we got 67% out of that one spot trade. Let's see. We're gonna got Monday green, kept Monday green. Let's see if we can keep the week green. You know what I'm saying? We had the whole week green last week. Friday we took a loss, but it's all good. Look at that big wick right there. We retesting. But yeah, but all right, guys, man, I'm out. We got a couple of questions. Let's see. Let's answer these questions right quick. Nano, yo, Clark, how you been, brother, man? It's been a while. Yeah, where you been at, man? Damn. Life been eventful. Haven't been on my trading shit. Unfortunately, glad to see you still grinding, putting people on for real. Yeah, man. Y'all know, man. I like to tell y'all the shit you can do to not have a fucking boss. I ain't woke up and answered to nobody. You know what I'm saying? This is the cheat code of life. I try to tell a lot of people this. This is the cheat code of life. If you know diagrams, if you know trend lines, if everybody in high school, everybody went over what symbols, shapes, and shit, like bear flags. Everybody know how to look at a shape. So you can get in the stock market and figure the shit out. Trust me. Just keep looking at the shit every day. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid of it. But yeah, man, glad to have you back, Nano. We're gonna be getting this money the rest of the week. All right. Spot getting wick. Look at this. Yeah, I'll look at these charts a little bit later. Made my money for the morning. I'll look at it later. But all right, guys, y'all have a great day. It's your boy Clark, and I'm out.